This tutorial will explain PROFIS Detection's Ferroscan overlay feature and how users can use it to classify objects. The first step is analyzing the Ferroscan. Then you can open the radar scan file and conduct all required adjustments to the specific scan. When both scan types are analyzed, a Ferroscan overlay can be applied. The Ferroscan overlay section is located in the visualization function. The overlay function is only visible once it's been activated under Settings. Activate it by checking the box called Ferroscan Overlay under Options. Choose your file by clicking Browse, then Ferroscan Overlay. Use the On/Off parameter to switch visualization of the Ferroscan overlay on or off. The Ferroscan overlay is shown in the top view and the radar data is shown in the cross-section view. To distinguish radar data from Ferroscan data, it's best to change the color code for radar data to gray under Visualization. The Data parameter is used to select how the data is displayed. It's generally best to use the Analyzed setting. The Transparency parameter is used to adjust the transparency of the Ferroscan overlay by setting a value. This allows the simultaneous visualization of the Ferroscan overlay and the radar data. The Fade Out Background parameter allows you to fade out areas that are not relevant to the visualization. The Z function shifts the depth of the Ferroscan overlay, shown as an additional Z-plane in the 3D visualization. If you'd like to use the overlay function to classify objects, you can leave the Ferroscan data shown on top of the radar data. As a last step, the EM sensor can be switched on to visualize all three data types, Ferroscan and EM sensor data, superimposed over radar data. You can also use the Ferroscan data input to calibrate the radar data in terms of depth. In the Ferroscan file, select a blue measuring point and read off the depth. Then go to the XScan file and select the exact same coordinates. Check the depth at which it's currently positioned by putting the cursor at the center of the bubble and checking the depth seen in the cross-section. Then use the Concrete parameter to adjust the depth until it matches the depth in the Ferroscan file. The depth of all objects in the radar scan will be adjusted to the known depth from the Ferroscan.